Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to everyone in the tour of the city of flowers, the land of hospitality, means Peshawar. Peshawar is the capital city of the KPK province. It is the biggest city of the KPK and relatively prosperous city as well. It is also a cultural and economic hub of KPK. This city is famous for its food and tourism, as it is one of the oldest cities of Pakistan with a recorded history that dates back to 539 BC. Now we're gonna discuss some historical and visiting places here in this capital. Number 1. Fort Bala Hisar. The Fort Bala Hisar is situated in the heart of Peshawar city. It is a historical fort which is built by Mughals back in 1526. It was a royal residence for the Afghan Durrani dynasty before being captured, trashed, and in 1834 rebuilt in mud by the Sikhs. Nowadays, this fort is used as a headquarters for the Frontier Corps. Access inside is limited, but there is a small museum and great view over the city from ramparts. Number 2. Peshawar Museum. Peshawar Museum was inaugurated in 1907 as Victoria Hall in memory of Queen Victoria. The two-story building was built in a syncretic architecture style consisting of British, Hindu, Buddhist, and Mughal Islamic styles. The museum initially had only one exhibition hall, but two more were added in 1969-70. In 2004-05, this museum was further expanded with the construction of a new block with two galleries, offices for the provincial directorates of archaeology, two halls for the museum collection and storage, conservation laboratory, and a cafeteria. The historical exhibition hall was also renovated at that time. Number 3. Mohabbat Khan Mosque. Mohabbat Khan Mosque was built in 1630 and named after the Mughal governor of Peshawar, Nawab Mohabbat Khan bin Ali Mardan Khan. The white marble facade of the mosque is one of the most iconic sites in Peshawar. The mosque has a narrow but massive entrance that leads to a large prayer courtyard. The mosque of Mohabbat Khan has 3 domes, while 2 tall minarets stand on each edge of the main hall. Among many other heritage sites in Peshawar, the mosque of Mohabbat Khan is one of the gems hidden in the city. Number 4. Bab-e Khaybar or Khaybar Pass. Bab-e Khaybar, also called Khaybar Pass, which is located at the entrance of the Khaybar Pass. The gate is located immediately west of Peshawar, with the historical Jamrod Fort lying adjacent to it. The gate was built in 1964 by the military government of Ayub Khan. Khaybar Gate is considered to be the most famous post-independence structure in Khaybar Agency. Number 5. Warsak Dam. Warsak Dam is a mass concrete gravity dam located on the Kabul River in the valley of Peshawar. Warsak Dam was completed under the Colombo Plan in 2 phases and financed by the Canadian government. The first phase was completed in 1960 and consisted of the construction of the dam. irrigation tunnels, and installation of the 4 power generator units, each of 40 megawatt capacity with 132 kilowatt transmission system, were also completed in 1960. 2 additional generating units of 41.48 megawatt capacity each were added in 1980-81 in the second phase. Number 6. Islamia College Peshawar. Islamia College Peshawar, founded by the personal initiatives led by Sir Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum Khan and Sir George Ross Keppel in 1913. Islamia College Peshawar is one of the oldest institutions of the higher education in Pakistan, and its historical roots are traced from the culminating point of the Aligarh movement. In 1950, the University of Peshawar was founded as an offshoot of Islamia College Peshawar, with the latter being associated to the university as a constituent college. Initially established as Islamia College, it was granted university status by Government of Pakistan in 2008. The World College is retained in its title for preserving its historical roots. Number 7. Lady Reading Hospital. The Lady Reading Hospital is located in Peshawar near Fort Bala Hisar. It is established in 1927. It is named after Lady Reading, the wife of the Viceroy of India, Lord Reading. It is the biggest hospital of the KPK province, providing tertiary care facilities and much more. In 1930, this hospital was given into the status of the district headquarters hospital with 200 beds. Khan Bahadur Abdus Samad Khan became the first medical superintendent of this hospital. In 1973, Muhammad Ayaz Khan was appointed the first administrator of this hospital. Thanks everyone. At the end of this video, a special thanks to Mr. Najibul Haq, who supported us through thick and thin. This promo is managed and prepared by your own Siraj Ahmed, the voice of the English commentary.